The Adventures of Isaac, Isol, and the Icebird Ioya.
Once upon a time, there was a little ice cube called Isol, Isaac Isol, and his bird Ioya. They got tired of living in the loneliness of Mount Everest, so they decided to go down the mountain. Soon, Isaac and Ioya were on the grassy fields. Ioya was flying happily, and they were walking along as fun as could be. They looked up at the sun, and suddenly they found themselves melting. What's happening? What's happening? But then Isaac had a flashback to a TV show that he once saw. Welcome to Happy Piglet TV shows. Today we'll be learning about phase changes of matter. Say we had this little ice cube right here, and the little ice cube was put out on a grassy field right there. Soon the sun would come into effect, and it would start melting, of course. But what happens inside this ice cube when it starts melting? You see, the ice cube is a solid, so its molecules are packed tight together, so it stays that way. It can't wibble or wobble like water. So soon it'll start to melt, of course, so now it's a liquid. And the liquid's molecules aren't packed as tight together. And if it's really hot, the liquid will turn into gas. Vaporization. And so it's this cloud up here, very nice cloud. And its molecules are spread all over the place, free to go wherever it chooses. But if there's a gust of wind up here, they will fall down again and turn into liquid. Condensation. And maybe, if it's really cold, it'll turn back into an ice cube. Thank you for listening. Soon there were puddles, and as they vaporized, half of their body looked up at half of their other body. Soon the puddles were gone, and there were just clouds drifting off into the future. Soon, another set of clouds came. It was Isaac's long-lost brother John and his cat Garfield. They were all friends and happy, so they floated off toward Mount Everest. Soon, family Isol had got all the way to Mount Everest. There they looked down. A cold breeze blew, and they started to rain, condensating, turning from gas into water. It was in fact so cold that they soon turned into hailstones and fell with a bump onto the ground of Mount Everest, their cloudy bodies disappearing forever. Now they were happy and together.